For brinjal hilsha, fried hilsha fish marinated with salt and turmeric powder. After then fry it and keep it aside. For brinjal hilsha, take brinjal, cut pieces like this way. Spices, dry chili 1 whole, bay leaves, cumin seed powder, green chili half cut, ginger powder, black cumin seed, salt and turmeric powder. Where I fried all the fishes, in same oil add some cumin seeds, bay leaves and dry chili. Slightly fry it. After then add fried pieces of brinjal, add some salt and turmeric powder. Now fry it. Light fry, don't fry, golden in color, just slightly fry. In this stage add cumin seed powder, add ginger powder and again saute. After frying brinjal and spices, add some water. Around 1 bowl, add plenty so many water so that fish can boil properly. Let it boil. After boiling brinjal and water, add your fish in it. Boil more and more so that if you boil more, then your fish curry will be more tastier. Let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. When your water become half, then add half cut green chili in it. Let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. After a while, slightly stir it. Be careful so that fish do not break. Then add salt according to your taste. Stir it. Add turmeric powder. Let it cook for a while. Now your curry is ready to eat. Serve it with hot rice. Hot rice and light brinjal hilsha soup. Sorry, curry. Bengal's favorite dish. You can also enjoy. This is very delicious and typical Bengali dish. Soft and oily and so much tasty. This is very light food. Thank you.